Hello, friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel called Super Simple Life. I'm Monisha.
And I'm Isha.
We both are motivational sisters. Well, guys, today we have come up with yet another important and most interesting topic. We are going to share with you 6 ways how to love yourself. Well, guys, love is the most beautiful feelings of this world, and love is like you can't live without love. And when the word love pops up in our mind, we think of others. We never think of ourselves. We never think of self love. So what is self love, Isha?
Well, in simple words, self love is feeling high, giving high regards to your own well being and happiness. It also means not compromising your own well being to please others.
Yes.
It also doesn't mean that you settle for something which you do not deserve. Self love also means no instant gratification. Like, it's not about buying new shoes for yourself or going out and eating pizza. Definitely you can do all those things to take care of yourself, but these are temporary. Self love is more deep. It's more about taking care of your soul, body, mind to be on the path of this life journey.
Yeah, and the ways to love yourself is, first, start giving honoring to yourself, self honoring. So you are so unique. God has made you so beautifully. So start giving honor to yourself. If you are not giving respect and honor to yourself, who will give you honor and respect? So start giving importance to yourself, start valuing yourself. And how do you do this? Well, first thing in the morning when you go into the washroom, just look into the mirror and look into your eyes and say that I am the best creation of God and I am the most beautiful person on this planet.
Yeah, that comes to number 2, which is self-care. Now, if you love yourself, self-care is important. You can't love yourself without taking care of yourself, especially your basic needs. So indulge in things like taking care of yourself by doing meditation, exercising, having a proper sleep, having intimacy, having social interactions, and so on.
And number 3 is set boundaries. You will love yourself more when you set limit and you say no to work and activity which deplete or harm you mentally, physically, emotionally. So don't say yes when you want to say no. Don't become doormat. Give importance to yourself. It's very important.
Yeah, that brings us to number 4, which is forgive yourself. Yes, forgive yourself. It is very important. On the life journey, a lot of things happen. You're always learning. You always make mistakes, be it at your professional front, your personal front, relationships, anywhere and everywhere. You will be failing. You will be making mistakes. Now, don't stay in that guilt and shame feeling all the time. It's okay. That's how you learn. That's how you move on. Do not deplete yourself by not forgiving yourself. Whatever happened, no matter how hard thing was, whatever have you done, whatever mistake you've done, sulk into it, think about it, take out the learning out of it and move ahead. Forgive yourself. Do not stay with it, with that shame and that unforgiveness. Forgive yourself and move ahead and love yourself.
And the next is self-worth. Well, guys, because of the programming which we have in our life, because of society, our parents, and so many, our environment, and so many things, we have stopped believing in ourselves. In fact, we should believe in ourselves. We should believe in our abilities, capabilities. We are so worthy. So believe in yourself, and you are endless potential of everything. You have talents, you have skills, you have everything. You are so unique, made by God. So believe in yourself, have faith in yourself, and do the best in your life.
Yeah, so that brings us to number 6, which is self-esteem.
Yes.
Now, self-esteem is very connected to self-worth. So if you have high self-worth, you will have high self-esteem. In simple layman language, self-esteem means what do you think about yourself? how do you treat yourself? What are your opinion about yourself? You have the capacity. Do you think that you have the capacity? You think you know things, you have confidence in yourself. So it's all about how you treat yourself, your own capacities and capabilities. So more the self-worth you have, the high self-esteem you'll have.
Yeah, so true, Isha.
So these are our 6 simple ways to
Love
start
yourself.
loving yourself. So try them at your end. That's how we live our life. That's how we love ourselves. See to it and let us know if these are connected to you, if you connect to yourself. Let us know in the comments column. Until then,
Stay safe, stay home. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.